good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. After a long time, again we are back here in the value education class. So before I start today's class, I would like to know whether you all have taken your exam nicely or not, right? I hope all of you have taken the exams nicely. Yes? Okay. Now today we will start with our book, the prescribed book. Uh, we will start with that, and we have completed chapter 1 and chapter 2. I will not start today. Instead, I would provide a video link today. I will share, and this video that I have already shared actually. So this video you will in this particular video you will learn something. You will watch it, you will learn, and the next class I will start with chapter 2. Okay, today I will not start chapter 2, but I will provide a short video related to that. Okay, so I need to know whether you all are attentive or not. That's why for I have a definite purpose to do that, so I will reveal it shortly. Now today we will start with chapter 3. Why have I chosen chapter 3 today? Because as you all have taken your unit test exam, and I felt that the chapter 3 deals it deals with all of you. Yes, most of you have often done so. So maybe some of you have committed some mistakes due to this particular habit, and I don't want you all to repeat the same mistake again before the half year exam. So you need to start with that only, I as per my consideration. So today we will start with chapter 3, and the chapter 3, it says just 5 minutes. So this just 5 minutes or just 2 minutes or just 10 minutes, it costs a lot. Yes, sometime maybe your parents are saying, okay, you have this homework left, you need to complete it first, but you that time maybe you provide an excuse that I will do it after 5 minutes, I will do it after 10 minutes, now I'm playing, now I'm having a serious matter, I'm speaking to my friend, or I'm doing something else. So you need to be careful that this 5 minutes won't come back. Okay, so I will not tell more. You need let us focus on the book or the text provided to us. So today I will be explaining from the text, and you need to open the book in front of you, right? Okay. Now the chapter says just 5 minutes. One girl, she is thinking, she is remembering something. The girl is Sachi. Sachi is remembering, or she is thinking that, what does she think? That says, and Joyce has passed the ball to Sanchi. Someone has passed the ball to the girl we are learning about, who is heading straight to the goal post. Goal. Sanchi has scored the winning goal for Red House. This is the first win for the house in the school championship. Like in our school we have 4 houses. In that way, in Sanchi's school, she was also having maybe many houses, but one of those houses is obviously a Red House. What a wonderful goal. In such condition, the girl was thinking this. In between this, her mother called out, Sachi, Sachi. Ma's voice snapped Sachi out of her daydream. She was, as I told, she was in her brown study. She was daydreaming. She was imagining something. So she was prompted, her daydream was prompted by her mother. Mother says, she interrupted and she says, what are you up to? Have you changed and freshened up? Means Sanchi has come back from school, and she has not changed her dress, and she has not made her clean and clear. Okay. Sachi had returned from school over half an hour ago and had not even taken off her socks. It's now I think most of you can Many of you rather can understand now, can get the reflection of your own thing. Yes, many of you, at least some of you obviously. Be there in just 5 minutes. Be there in just 5 minutes. Okay, mother says, Ma said Sachi. That means I will be there within 5 minutes. Sachi said, you all do so. As she changed hurriedly, and as when mother asked her to do so in an angry manner, that time only Sachi, she started to prepare herself. She started to change hurriedly. What took you so long? Asked Ma angrily. Obviously, it's quite natural. Mother asked what was the reason of her not doing the work earlier. Your lunch is almost cold. Sachi muttered an apology as he sat down. Muttered means in a very low voice he apologized. Ma, next week there are tryouts for the school football team. I really hope I get selected. Sachi gasped. Sachi gasped means she means in a pleading tone she explained that she hopes to get selected. She played football all the time with her friends in the building. It was her favorite sport. So what do we learn about Sachi? That her favorite sport is football. Along with that, she also uses the excuse of 5 minutes, right? Okay. Sachi's eyes suddenly darted to the clock. There were just 5 more minutes before her favorite TV show would be on. So she is having, and she is fond of TV program as well. She gobbled up her food and rushed to switch the TV on. Now gobble means she did not chew her food. She managed to complete, and she rushed towards the TV set. This habit is also, I can see many of you have such habit. So this is you all can find here yourself again. No sooner had she plunked herself in front of the TV, she placed herself. Then Ma called her, Sachi, are not you forgetting something? Means after taking her lunch, she should have kept the plates and all in a proper place, and she should have cleaned it. But she didn't do so. She asked, gesturing to the dishes on the table. Mother asked, and she indicated towards the plates. Sachi was responsible for clearing the table after lunch every day, as I told. Sachi had when she started maybe the work with an intention that it might help her mother a bit. Mother can get relaxation, because throughout the day mother is working, she is working. Now if the child does the work a little bit, only if she cleans her own dishes and all, at least mother can get a bit relaxation. So with this noble thought, maybe she had started this, or mother had taught her. That is not clear here, but I wish Ma would relax a little. What's the big deal? That means the girl has thought so, that it's not a big deal to clean 2 or 3 dishes, but mother will get relaxation. Can you please do it today, Ma? With such noble intention she started that, but she was unable to continue, right? So here also a few can find themselves, right? Can you do it for today for me? My program has already started, pleaded Sachi. But Ma was not convinced. Nothing doing. This is not the first time you have asked to be excused this week. So this has often this incident often takes place. Grudgingly, Sachi cleared the table. So now she was not happy to do the work. Her noble intention we cannot find, because she was in a grudging way, means she was not quite happy, a bit angry, a bit irritated, and she did the work. That evening, when Papa got home, Sachi told him about the football tryouts. Our sports teacher has said that we should do some running every day before the tryouts. Papa smiled. That's a good idea, Sachi. But how do you plan to manage everything? Now, here again, I must tell you, sometimes you get so many assignments and so many works from the school, and now it's quite difficult, a bit difficult for you to manage everything. But you can easily manage if you can divide them or split them according to the time. Okay, this much time I will do this work, this much time I will do this work. But if you continue with your the things you like to do the most, then everything will be scattered. Maybe the same thing happened with Sachi. Let us find out. Don't you also have to submit the assignment on the open hand monument by next week? So she was given an assignment by the school, from the school rather. Sachi assured her father she would manage. Again, you all can find yourself, right? You all can relate here. Instead of watching TV in the afternoon, I will work on the assignment. Now, this is a compromise within ourselves. Yes, you all do. Okay, this time you let me do this work. I will not watch TV on that particular time, or I will not play in that time. I will do that, but that time never comes. The same thing may happen here also. That will give me some time in the evening to go running. She planned means the plan she has, that is quite good, but we don't know whether it will be executed or not, right? When father asked her that do you means you need to plan it, can you manage everything? Now the girl provided her plan in a very nice manner, but whether it will be executed or not, that's a matter of time, right? Good, so you have a plan, said Papa, ruffling her hair. So the father appreciated her plan. The next day after lunch, Sachi switched on the TV to watch her favorite program as usual. Ma reminded her about her assignment. Just 5 minutes, Ma, said Sachi, but Sachi ended up watching the whole episode. So the same thing as I was expecting. So the girl, she said, okay, just 5 minutes I would watch it, but she ended up, she watched it till it ends. When Papa reached home that evening, she proudly told him how she managed to run continuously for 15 minutes. She was fond of football, so she could manage to run for 15 minutes non-stop. That she was quite proud and happy to express to her father. That's nice, Sachi, he said. How is the assignment coming along? She replied guiltily, Papa, I had a lot of other homework today. I will start tomorrow. Again, I think many of you can find your own self. The following day too, Sachi ended up watching TV in the afternoon. While watching the TV, she planned rather, I won't stay back to play with my friends today. I will come straight back home after my job. So when I will go for jogging, straight I will come back home. I will not spend time with my friend, and in that time I will do the assignment. Now everyone plans according to his or her own planning, and the incident happened something else. The same thing maybe took place here also. That evening, as Sachi was jogging in a neighborhood park, she heard a shout, Sachi, come, let's have a match. Aryan was twirling a football on his finger. So football, she is fond of playing football. The ball was in front of her, and the boy was twirling with the football on his finger. And obviously, Sachi is obvious to go for it, right? Before she knew it, an hour had passed. So in that time also, Sachi thought, okay, just for 5 minutes I will play and then I will go. But when 1 hour passed, she couldn't understand. That evening, before Papa asked, Sachi confessed, I did not manage to do much work on the assignment, Papa, but I will surely do it seriously from tomorrow. So Sachi is showing excuse. She is providing excuse after excuse that I will do it on that day, I will do it next day. Okay, for 5 minutes I will cut down my time from my watching TV or from jogging, but actually she could not execute her plan. So far we have read. Now whether she could do it or not, that we will learn in the next day. And for today this much we will learn. The next day we will learn whether she could do it or not. And you must now, I would request you all to open your study material, where you will get a short video clip that is entirely on second chapter. But I want you to be mentally prepared about the chapter. That's why I've given the link. Okay, I hope you all will listen to my words. I want all of you to stay fit, safe and fit, and to do your work. Thank you. Have a very nice day.